Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet these lovely scrunchies that I have crocheted. I just wanted to use up the yarn that I have, and I even used eyelash yarn just to show you. Here I did double 2-strand. Here I did 1 strand, and it's really hard to see, but this is softer when you compare it to this. So I think I might continue crocheting in 1 strand. And I did, I'll just show you, but I just wanted to show you, tell you before I do. Let me see. This one, I did double crochets. This one, oh, I'm sorry. This one I did double crochets. This one I did treble crochets. So I pulled it at 3. And this one I pulled it at 2, and you can see the difference. This is higher, so you can play around with it. Single crochet would not work. I would not recommend single crochet, but you can crochet double or treble. Either way would work. And these are the yarns that I bought from Valley Village. I did a haul a couple of months ago, if you want to go back and check. So just wanted to use up this one. I wanted to finish the entire ball. And this one has a lot, so whoever buys it, very lucky. And this one is just a regular one, but this one has lots and lots of treble crochet. Then this is how it looks like. Okay, and I already started, just to show you. I went to the dollar store. I am planning, well, I already entered. I want to do a spring craft sale, because it's been since 2006. I did it for 3 years non-stop throughout the entire year. And then when I moved back to Edmonton from Penticton, I haven't done markets because it's so expensive here. But this one I wanted to attend because the price was reasonable. So what I did is I went to the dollar store and I grabbed this, and I grabbed the best quality there because I need to go to Walmart as well. When I go, I will grab, I think their name is Goodies. I can't remember. And yeah, this is pretty thick. It's good quality, and it has 40 in it. So I will use up the yarn that I have. It doesn't have the metal thing, but it has this like a burnt thing that you can see, so you can see the attachment. Okay, so I already started a green one, but before I start I wanted to show you. And the crochet hook I'm using is a 4.5, and I grabbed the green, and what I did is, I'll just show you. I know it's going to be hard. I'm going to show you with a different yarn, but just to give you an idea, if you want to use your velveties or your like yarns like this that you have in your stash, and it turns out perfect. So I would highly recommend you to use those yarn in your stash. So I just went and I go 1, 2, 3 chain up, and I weave while I go because these are really hard to weave. And what I do is I go loop twice, and then I go like this, then I pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. Yeah, I like the treble better compared to the double crochet. I would not recommend single crochet. So this is all you do. You go all the way around, and I did count on the velvets. I did about 63, I think. Double crochets and then I didn't count the rest, so I crocheted as long as I filled it, like there was no space left. So what I'm going to do is I ordered this yarn from Ice Yarn. It's the cotton, what's it called? It's the cotton pastel. I think they run out of it, but if you click on the notification, you will be notified when it returns. This color, like it's sold out. And then it's cotton, and then I'm going to show one of the it's spring, right? So I'm going to use cotton yarn as well from my stash. And then I'm going to make a stuffed animal with this, so stay tuned for my... If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't miss out the tutorials that I'm going to be posting. Just click that bell button and you will be notified. So it's 77% cotton, 23% acrylic, and it is super, super soft. Like, it's unbelievable. That's all I can say. This ball is 50 grams, and in each bag you get 8 balls, and it's recommending is 4.45 millimeter crochet hook or knitting needles, and or a US 6/8. It says it's so tiny, and it's a 4 weight. It is thick. It is thick. Yes, it is. It's not thin, so that's a good thing. Okay, so just love the colors. In the picture it looks brighter, but when you receive it, it is pastel. And it's perfect for Easter. It's perfect Easter colors. I'm sure that's why it sold out. So, now which one should I pull? I think I'm going to pull up the white one. Yeah, just fill it as you don't see the elastic when you're, you know, like crochet as much as you have. When you're pulling it, you won't see the elastic. Well, this is fluffy. I don't know. We'll see what's going to happen with this one. I might crochet more. And I don't do anything fancy. I just put my, let me just move this so you won't get distracted. And I also bought this stand from Dollarama. I'm happy I did. So I'm going to, you know, put it on the table like this. I just rented one table because I don't know how it's going to go. Okay. For the market, I was talking, it's on I will tape pictures, yeah, or I will make a video. Okay, so what I do is I don't do anything fancy, no rules. I just poke my crochet hook, grab it from here, and then just secure it just like this. Nothing fancy. And I do chain 2 more to go up, and then I hold it. I weave it while I go because it's I don't like weaving after. So what I do is I do a 2. Like I said, you can do double crochets, but I like the treble. And then you go, you pull 2, you pull 2, you pull 2, and then I just repeat what I do until I have no room left. Oh, I like the color change. This is going to be nice. Just like this. 1, 2, 3. Again, 2. Just go under and I grab the yarn and I pull it. It's like doing a magic loop. Then I continue doing this all the way around. So I will do that. This is going to take me a while. And I just weave it while I go. Nice colors, right? How much do you guys sell these? I was thinking 2 for $5 Canadian. What do you think? Is it cheap? Let me know on the comment section. So I'm going to continue crocheting like this. Like I said, I'm not counting. But it looks like I crochet 2 or 3 on each color when you look at it. It does look, doesn't it? It looks nice. And then I'm going to make a teething for babies. I was thinking using this yarn, but wow, this would look nice with this yarn. So I'll be back. I will crochet. I'll try to fill it and I will count and let you know how many I did with this yarn if you have this yarn in your stash, because I'm sure when it came out everyone bought it. I only bought 1 bag because I wasn't quite sure, and I bought this color. because everyone on Facebook Ice Yarns were buying this yarn, this color. So I thought to myself, let me try it. So I'll be back. I'll crochet this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did total of 50, but as you can see, it's not that ruffly. And when you pull it, you can see the elastic, right? So we don't want that, even just a little pull. We don't want to see the elastic, so I need to fill these. So I will make another 10, and this looks really nice. Oh my goodness, I'm happy that I'm sharing you to crochet with this yarn. It is really nice. I might go and buy the other colors that they have. I'll be right back. I'll do 10 more, so that would be 60, and we'll see how it looks like, because this is cotton yarn, right? It might be different when you compare it to a velvet or for eyelash or for other yarns that you crochet with, but yeah, I'll be right back. So this is how it looks like. I crocheted 10 more and it did fit, and when I pull the elastic, you can't see the elastic, right? So this is perfect. So I did 60. So maybe the magic number is 60. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a slip stitch here where we did the 2 chains. Did I do 2 or 3? I can't remember. And then I pull it. I always chain 3 or 4. And I cut my yarn. And then what I do is, either you can use a tapestry needle or you can just use your crochet hook and then pull it from here just like this. You can see what you're doing. It's not like yeah, maybe the tapestry needle would be better. Then you just weave it. I didn't want to cut it long because I don't want to waste this gorgeous yarn. Okay, and I just go between, then I pull it. Then it's secured. Ta-da! If you have your label, you can put your label here. Sew up your label or either way. So I just wanted to share how this is done. I know there's lots of videos about it, but I did use different colors and different yarns to create this lovely hair scrunchie. And it turned out perfect. So I showed you with a cotton yarn how it's done, and I can hang it here. And then I will continue making as I go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!